Information retrieval is related to finding and retrieving relevant content from an unstructured and large collection of documents or data. The content that is retrieved satisfies certain criterion given in the search query. An example can be the searching of relevant emails based on the search keywords that you have provided. It can also be the results retrieved from Google searches. The goal of information retrieval algorithms is to extract information from unstructured text. To better understand how these algorithms determine which document satisfies the query and which doesn't, let's differentiate between exact match and best match. Exact match assumes that the query entered specifies the precise retrieval criteria. It has binary criteria for relevance. This means that either the document matches the query or it doesn't. There is no scoring to indicate the amount of relevance. Also, the results retrieved are an unordered set of documents that precisely matches the query. Best match is different from the exact match in that it assumes that the query describes a good matching document. The query does not need to be an exact match to the document, but instead needs to match to it to some degree. This allows a score to be assigned to each document based on how relevant it is to the query. The results retrieved are an ordered set of documents where the most relevant document is at the top of the set. Please note that it is slow for larger data sets. You can see a table comparing different properties of databases and information retrieval algorithms on this slide. Databases store structured data with clear semantics. Queries to the database are defined, and databases use exact matches while offering higher recoverability for any failures. Information retrieval systems store unstructured data with no semantics. The queries are free text and best matches are used. There are limited recoverability options for any failures.